Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up two-factor authentication security on Otter. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on Otter.ai and then select your name, which is on the top left corner. Now select account settings, now select security, now select setup and then select on continue. Now there are 4 steps that you need to follow so that you can set up your two-factor authentication security on Otter. The first step saying install Google Authenticator or use another authenticator app of your choice. The second step is saying open the app, select add account and then Otter account. Now the third step is saying scan this QR code that they have given to you, or you can even enter this key into the authenticator app. You can copy it from here. And the fourth step is now you need to enter here the 6-digit verification code generated by your authenticator app, and then you need to select on continue. And that's how you guys can successfully set up two-factor authentication security on Otter. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.